Hello, I'm Simon Rodway and I'd like to welcome you to the CAD for Woodworkers course. As a freelance illustrator over the last 20 years, I've drawn thousands of woodworking plans for magazines in the UK, US and Europe. My course is designed to share that experience with you and show you how to draw plans quickly, easily and accurately. Some people believe that CAD is just for the professionals, that it's expensive and difficult to use. My course is designed to show you that it's none of these things. The software I use on the course, DraftSight, is free to download and is available for PC and Mac. Using this free CAD software, my course shows you in step-by-step videos how you can produce a drawing like this one and then accurately dimension it in a few minutes.